Yes, today I'm going to use an acrylic art pen with my non-dominant hand. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and yes, I have another package here from Madam Glam. So thank you to Madam Glam for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, I'm going to be working with two different pink colors in this Madam Glam acrylic art pen. Okay, so yeah, this looks just like a pen. So let me go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do a couple swatches here and show you guys how this pen looks. Now, looking at this pen, it looks like a felt tip marker, doesn't it? Now you're supposed to shake it up, press down, and then the gel comes out. Okay, I'm going to get it going. Okay, so we got it going. As you can see, you can get a pretty straight line with just using the pen. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors. The first color here is Perfect Pink. And as you can see, one coat is really all you need, but I end up going with two. This second color here is my favorite of the two, and it's Bright Barbie Pink, which is a neon color. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, so that's just with one coat. That's two coats. And now that I have these two coats done here, let's try out this pen. Okay. I'm kind of shaky here, but as you can see, if you weren't shaky, imagine how straight you would be able to get those lines, you know? Instead of using a brush, use the pen. And look at that. Yes, I wrote my name, OlenaRosanne. Now, is that not something? And this just air dries. No need for a UV or LED light. It air dries within 10 to 20 seconds. I like that. I need one of these in every color. And you know what's nice about this? This is a water-based acrylic pen, so I like that. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and go into painting. As always, I normally do 2 layers of whatever pigment I'm using, so yeah, I'm going to use 2 layers of this Perfect Pink, and in between the layers I do cure each layer 60 seconds, and I'm not going to say that throughout the video, but as you know, with every layer I do, there will be a curing at 60 seconds, including any gel nail polish I decide to use during my nail art. Okay, so and as always with Madam Glam, I love me some Madam Glam. I mean, what's not to love about vegan polishes that are made with a 21 free formula? They're cruelty free and palm oil free. I mean, it's wonderful quality polishes. And always check down in the description box because you'll always find my direct link into Madam Glam. It is an affiliate link, and so you do help me out when you click on that, and also use my discount code, okay, which is listed in the description box, and I'll also go ahead and list it on the video itself. Okay, so check those out here. And as you can see here, I'm just making things up as I go. This is always what I do. I never have a plan. I just make up some stuff, and whatever happens, happens. As I have stated before, I'm not a professional. I'm a beginner. I love doing my own nails. It saves me money, and hey, why not show you what I can do while I'm saving money? And you can also save some money too if you want to. Okay, so anyway, there goes that. I'm going to go ahead and be quiet for a little bit. Oh, and real quick, if you haven't noticed already, I'm a little nasally, and it's because, you know, I'm a little bit under the weather. But you know what? I had to get this video done, so you get to take my voice exactly how it is. Anyway, I'm going to be quiet with this voice and let y'all listen to some music, and I'll be back a little bit later. Okay, so here we are with the star of today's show, and that's this Madam Glam Acrylic Art Pen. Look how easy it is for me to just do these little stitches here. Yeah, that's what we'll call it stitches. Look how easy it is to do. Everything flows right on out, and it doesn't pull, but if it does, it's super easy to clean up. I'll have a couple of moments here. I think I record them in the video where I just clean it up, taking out my brush, and I will use some alcohol. That simple. And wipe it clean and let it dry. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to do it right now. See how easy that was? That's it. And because this air dries, it's so simple to use it and clean up. This is super convenient. As I said before in the beginning of this video, I think I need this in every single color because imagine what you can do. And the thing is, y'all, I am using this with my left hand. I'm a right-handed woman, okay? I'm right-handed. But I'm using this with my left hand, so that should tell you something. If I have this much control to do hearts, to do stitches, just to do whatever with my non-dominant hand, imagine if I was using this with my dominant hand. Yeah, I deserve a like for that, don't you think? If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that, okay? And share this with someone who doesn't even know that there's an acrylic pen like this, or someone who's dibbling and dabbling in nail art and might find this useful or like these colors, okay? Okay, and just so you know, after these are done drying with the art pen, and as I said before, it only takes 10 to 20 seconds and it dries on its own. I do go in and top it with some Madam Glam No Wipe top coat just to get it all sealed in there before I move on. And as you can see here, of course, I had to go in with some sort of bling just to jazz it up and make it so, you know, everything, every nail goes together, I think. You know, let me know. Let me know what you think. I like what I was able to create using these 3 products from Madam Glam. Shout out to Madam Glam again for sending over these products. Other than that, let me know what you think. Which nail is your most favorite? Have you tried any of these colors or the pen itself before? If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, leave me a comment. You know, let me know you actually stopped by. Remember, nail care is indeed self-care. Other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.